We discovered the unused land over the side of the hill. We have decided that this is a perfect opportunity to try to improve an area of our campus, along with having students take full advantage of it. We wanted to make 3 distinct areas. The first one is the STEAM trail that we'd like to call Tease Trail, which is going to be an opportunity for all the K through 1 students to take advantage of different STEAM activities. The second part of it is to have a cross-country trail, and then the third part being able to have another opportunity for the community.